Good morning, parents and students. Instead of a morning meeting today, I wanted to do a quick tutorial of what the online learning is going to look like. On Monday, the district's going to send something out. I believe it's going to link you to this Canyon's homepage and these parent resources. And down here it says student and parent resource. This is just about setting up a good space at home for where learning will happen, and then how to make sure you take breaks and help your students stay on task. Don't worry about these documents. Getting down here to the online platform student logins. Now, to log into Canvas, they will need that CSD Docs email. It should be on the sticker inside of the packet that we sent home, and it also has the password. If parents, you need Spanish, click here to translate to Spanish, but all it's telling you is that Canvas, here's the link to canyons.instructure.com. This will get you to the login page. And then the password is going to be that username, and then the password that I gave you on that sticker. If you don't know it, reach out, email me, and I can send it to you. But what I also just wanted to go ahead and show you so this is going to be your login page. It might take a minute to load. Okay, we're going to skip that. Okay, once you log in to Canvas Instructure, you're going to see this, Miss Bentley's Kindergarten Classroom. I'll have my email and just a quick message. But right here where you see this date, Tuesday, that's going to link you to the modules for that day. You could also come over here or just click right there on the date. They need to watch the videos in each one of these. Math has one video, but reading has a couple different links that they need to watch. There's no assignments for them to select and finish. You just need to monitor your student to make sure that they are watching all the videos. Back to modules, and then there's one more with their question of the week. Okay, after those modules are done, you can click to the Clever portal right from the Canvas page, and that's where they'll log in with their Clever badge, press allow, and do their 20 minutes of GG Math, ST Math, and 20 minutes of Imagine Learning for the day. Okay, go ahead and give this a try and let me know how it goes, and send me any questions, and I'll try to address them as soon as possible. Have a good weekend. Bye.